Samsung is rumored to be launching a number of new gadgets at its summer event, while the firm has not yet made an official announcement about this particular date. The eagerly awaited foldable phones, smart watches, and the stunning Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, which has already been revealed in leaked CAD renders, are some of them. You'll undoubtedly be left with an insatiable thirst for more information after seeing the recently released render of the forthcoming Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. In today's video, we're going to talk about these renders and potential features the Tab S9 Ultra might have because it appears to be highly polished and svelte. So let's get started right away. According to the newly released render by OnLeaks, the Tab S9 Ultra bears a striking resemblance to its predecessor, but there are a few notable changes. The camera layout has been updated to resemble the design of Samsung's latest flagship phones, featuring individual camera lenses. However, most other aspects such as screen size, thickness, and weight remain similar. However, there are two significant upgrades awaiting Tab S9 Ultra users. Firstly, the tablet will boast a new display with the 120Hz IP3 color gamut coverage, enhancing the visual experience significantly. With this wider color standard, the tablet can be split 25 more colors, resulting in more vibrant and realistic visuals, especially for games and HDR content. Now, secondly, according to an exclusive report by Sam Mobile, the upcoming Galaxy Tab S9 series was rumored to come with an IP67 rating, which would be a notable improvement as Samsung's flagship tablets have not previously offered water resistance. In April, the S Pen stylus used with the tablet received certification from the Federal Government Education Commission. The certification revealed that the S Pen supports Bluetooth Low Energy and features a built-in 2.40-volt capacitor, enabling faster charging. As anticipated, the stylus is likely to be attached to the tablet using a magnetic strip. In a recent tweet, a tipster named Revegnus shared information about the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. According to the tipster, the tablet is expected to be equipped with an overclocked variant of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which is also used in the Galaxy S23 series. The overclocked version of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 offers enhancements compared to the regular variant, notably in both the primary clock speed increase of 0.16 GHz and a GPU clock speed boost of 39 MHz. Additionally, it'll offer faster UFS 4.0 storage speeds, while the RAM capacity will be increased to 16 GB. However, the most significant upgrade for the Tab S9 Ultra lies in its software. Android 14, Google's latest operating system, is expected to bring substantial improvements tailored specifically for tablet displays. Google has come up with development templates to ensure App UI scaling works seamlessly on larger screens, adapting effortless changes in orientation between portrait and landscape modes. This means that Android apps on tablets will no longer appear stretched or distorted. Moreover, Android 14 enables users to run multiple instances of the same application across different windows, enhancing multitasking capabilities. Google is also focused on creating a more desktop-like experience by supporting keyboard shortcuts similar to those found in Windows or macOS. The introduction of desktop-style menus and context menus in appropriate scenarios further enhance the tether experience. Although the Tab S9 Ultra will launch with Android 13, which lacks these new features, users can expect Samsung's One UI skin to incorporate similar functionalities to emulate the benefits of Android 14. Samsung aims to ensure that users can enjoy an enhanced tablet experience even before the official Android 14 update arrives later in the year. In conclusion, Samsung's Tab S9 Ultra promised to deliver an impressive package feature, during notable improvement in display quality, water resistance, performance, and an enhanced software experience. With Google's long-term commitment to optimizing Android for a large screen, the tablet is poised to offer compelling and immersive user experience. Thanks for watching the video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.